At TEC Grills, we like to keep the cleanup simple for you. So for most of the time, cleanup is as simple as turning on the heat on high on your grill, closing the hood, and letting it run for about 10 minutes after you finish cooking. The high heat will burn off any remaining food or particles that are left on your grate and on the radiant glass panels. But if you use our infrared smoker roaster, our Grate Rake, or even simply put wood chips on the grates of your grill when you're smoking, you're going to have ash buildup from time to time. Most metal grill brushes have metal bristles that can become dislodged and fall onto the grates of your grill or possibly get into your food. That's why we designed our Grate Rake out of 304 stainless steel. There are two sides to the Grate Rake to help you with cleanup. The first side is going to be the slotted end, and that goes directly over the grates of your grill. Just simply place it on top and run it back and forth in order to remove any remaining particles. The other side is going to be the scoop side. And you're going to want to make sure your grill is cool and then carefully pull off the grates and set them aside. And then just use the scoop part to scoop up any ash that's remaining on your grill. That's it. For more tips and tricks, be sure to check out our backyard blog at techinfrared.com.